Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking one of Singapore's favorite, black pepper crab. So let's start cooking. We are going to fry the crab now. Heat up a cast iron wok or stainless steel wok. Never use a non-stick pan to cook ingredients like crabs because they will scratch your surface. So cast iron wok like this or a stainless steel wok will be good. So we put in 2 tablespoons of coarsely grounded black pepper. Without oil, we just want to stir fry and make this fragrant. If you don't like it too peppery, you can reduce the amount of the black pepper that we use. This will take about 10-15 seconds. So after that, we just put in the butter. This is approximately 70 grams of butter. Now I'd like to add a little bit of oil inside here also. Just a little bit will be fine. This is going to be so good. There's a lot of different ways to cook this black pepper crab. In restaurants, a few of them actually deep fry the crab first and then they just use a sauce that they pre-made and then they just stir fry it. I don't like it done that way because the crab meat tends to be a bit too dry. I like to do a slow cook version like this. So do try this at home and let me know how it turns out for you. Now halfway through while it's still melting the butter, I'm going to put in onions. 1 whole onion, sliced thinly like this. In restaurant outside, normally they don't put this, but I like to put onion inside this. It's tasty and it gives you a very natural sweetness inside here. 5 cloves of garlic chopped, put it in also. Now we'll add in curry leaves. If you do not have curry leaf at where you are from, it's okay, no problem. But with curry leaf, actually this brings out another level of fragrance into this dish. So I'm putting in 1 bunch full of curry leaves. Just put them in. Wow, smells really good right now. We want the fragrance of all these ingredients to come out. Oh, fantastic, the smell. Really, really good. Black pepper crab is a very popular dish in Singapore. There's a few restaurants that do very well black pepper crab. You can search them online. Where is the best place to have black pepper crab? So once you can smell all these beautiful fragrances that's coming out from here, we'll add in water. 2 cups of water. Add in also 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix them up well. I like my black pepper crab to have a little bit of gravy because then I can dip my bread on it and it tastes really, really good. Now we put the lid on and wait for this to boil. So once when this starts to boil or is boiling, we'll put in the crabs. I'm using approximately 1.3 kilograms of crab, mud crab. I like mud crabs because the flesh is very sweet and very meaty. So it's actually one of my favorite ingredients actually. If you can't find mud crabs, you can use any crabs that you might fancy or you can get from where you are at. So you put the lid back on and let this boil for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. The crabs are definitely cooked already. Let's just give this a light stir. We'll add in sugar to balance up the taste now. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Put it in. Give the gravy a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for you. Wow, very, very good. I'm going to darken the color up a little bit. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Pour it all in. If you want it to be darker, you can actually add in more dark soy sauce if you want to. Now there's one final thing that we need to do, and that is to thicken up this sauce. So prepare some cornstarch solution. We'll thicken up the sauce now. This is the cornstarch solution. I use equal parts of corn flour with equal parts of water. So just slowly add it in. Okay, you can thicken up to your desired thickness or consistency. If I prefer it to be darker in color, I'm adding in 1 more tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Okay, time to dish up this dish. The black pepper crab is done. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. I'm very hungry now, so see you next time. Bye.